Hello beautiful souls. These are projects that I created. These are all gift bags. I made 5 for swap with Scrapdaworld here on YouTube. The host's name is Tmika, and we were required to make 4 gift bags and put some embellishments on the gift bag, and mine is tea themed. So this is what I created. And I also used the digital collection, Doily Dreams, that could be purchased at Tea Time and Dolls on Etsy. So let me take one out. So these how they're going to be presented. I have some plastic bags that are, you know, they fit here exactly. So I don't know how I'm going to close the plastic bag. I got to get really creative with that. I don't have any bigger plastic clear bags, so I'll do the best that I can. But this is what it looks like. All the gift bags are in the teapot. The teapot is gusseted, and the teapot is actually a bonus because we were only required to make 4 gift bags, and the teapot makes 5 gift bags. So this is what they look like. I added some lace trim down here, of cluster of roses here, embellishment here. I keep this closed with this ribbon. The ribbon can be removed, and I made a previous video on the charms. So this is how I decided to hang the charms. And then in the back, I'm gonna put, you know, an extra goodie back here, and then this little note tag is going to be attached to a goodie that I'm going to attach here. But this is a special note tag. It's closed with a belly band, and I also created this with the Tea Time and Dolls Doily Dreams digital collection. So I created that belly band for that. But this opens up, and in here I'm going to write a note to all of my swap members. They're gonna have my email address, and there's gonna be a password on here. So I'm hoping that my swap partners are watching this. And the reason why I'm doing that is because you're all going to be gifted with a part of my digital paper collection, and that's going to be, you know, one of my greatest gifts for everyone in my swap. And I want to attach a password that they will have to include in the email so that I know it's really them, and only they will know what the password is. Okay? So that's what this is for. And you know, I fussy cut this bird cage. That's a part of the collection. So that's going to be attached excuse me, to this goodie bag here. Okay, but for now I have it here because I'm still putting this together, which I'm shipping this in a few more days. And then the gift bags are in here inside the teacup. I used manila folder. I cut out the manila folder first. I used my brother's Scan and Cut to cut out the shape of the teacup. And then I cut out the design paper in the same shape, and in the back as well. And then I just adhered it to the manila folder, and then I just created a gusset on the side. And of course I embellished it. And I've shown these gift bags before, but here it is again. They all have envelope and notes, a note card contained in the inside. This one is a belly band. These are actually supposed to be here. So I added 3 cards back here. This is also another pocket for another goodie. This is pocket, you know, for something like a goodie that's flat. And then of course these are gusseted here on the side, so once you fill it, it'll, you know, you can actually fill it. That's what I really meant to say. You can fill it, and you know, with something that's dimensional, because it does have a gusset there. This one has a gusset as well. This one is a belly band. I do have a tutorial in how I made this one, which I linked in the description box below. I still have yet to do one for this one and for these two as well. These two I'm going to do as one video because it's pretty much the same. The only difference is that one is wider and one is just taller. So, and these are gusseted as well. I did show in another video these gift bags, so I'm not going to get too much into it, but there it is. And this also has this one has the long envelope with the note tag inside, and this one as well. The only one that's I'm still going to include this card for Ida, who is created to create. This would be hers. I'm still going to include this, but it's probably just going to be blank in the inside. Except she already has the digital paper, so I'm just going to gift her with something else. I'm going to attach you know, the same goodies in this bag that I'm going to include for everyone, and then I'm just going to attach something extra for her since she already has the design paper. Okay, and this is hers. So they all have this. There goes Tmika's. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for joining me today. All is well. Let's share, be fair, be filled with love, and love one another. Take good care, everybody.